Hey everybody, if you are looking to do some factoring of trinomials, then this is the place to go. I've been getting a lot of questions about factoring trinomials, so I'm going to show you how to do what's called the slide and divide method. So we're looking at these types of trinomials where you have a number in front of your x squared. These ones are a little bit different because they are a little bit trickier than the ones that I have posted some videos on earlier. So the ones that I did earlier were a bunch that just had a 1 in front of that x squared, or just doesn't have a number in front of it, which indicates that it's a 1. But these ones are a little bit more challenging when you're talking about doing these ones. So a way that you can do this is you start off and you do the slide and divide method. So again, sliding starts off by taking the first term and the last term, and you are going to take them and multiply them times each other. So we got 2 times -3. So we're just going to multiply, and that's going to take the 2 kind of away from the problem right now and leave me with x squared. The middle didn't do anything too, so we're going to leave that alone for right now. And then 2 times -3 is -6. So we're kind of left like this. So again, you're sliding the 2 over there by multiplying it. Now, I'm going to take, if you've seen some of the other videos on my factoring trinomials, now I don't have to worry about a 1 right here in front of that. So, or it's just 1. So I want to find factors of -6. So I'm going to just go ahead. There's not many. So -6 only really has a couple of possibilities. We've got a +1 and a -6. We've got a -1 and a positive. Did I just say positive? Yes. Positive and a negative, negative and a positive. I'm on vacation for the day. My head's not working. And then the other options we have are 2 and a -3, and then a -2 and a +3. So those are my 4 options to choose from here. Now I'm looking for the combination that gets me that -5. They add up to -5. So the only set that adds up to a -5 in this case is going to be this set right here. So those 2 numbers are the 2 numbers that we're going to be working with. So we're going to set up our binomials just like that. This is a +1. This is a -6. So we are going to put x plus 1 and then x minus 6. Now you're not quite done here yet because we can't just forget about this 2 that we had originally in the problem. We're bringing it back over. So in order for me to bring it back over, what I need to do is do the divide part of slide and divide. I slid it over before. Now I'm going to divide it and bring it back. So we're going to divide both of the constants by 2 because that's the number that was there. That's this number. This is where that came from. And then I'm going to look at this binomial. This binomial works out beautifully. It goes -6 divided by 2 is a -3. Perfect. Beautiful. It works out nicely. So you're going to have -6 divided by a +2 is a -3. So that's where the x minus 3 comes in. Now notice that this one doesn't work nicely. Since it does not work nicely, we're going to take that denominator, that 2, and we're going to put it right there in front of the x that is there. So now we'll leave the 1 just the way that it is. It's going to be 2x plus 1. And that is my finalized factored pair. And if you want more questions like these, you can find them on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at U1Algebra. All of these are located in my playlist of quadratic functions. Don't forget to save this for later. Like it, share it, follow me for more, and I will see you soon.